To make Apple Pay show up on your device, you need to have a compatible iPhone or iPad model and an Apple ID. First, ensure your device is running the latest version of iOS. Go to the Settings app on your device and tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. If you do not see this option, your device may not be compatible with Apple Pay. If you have a compatible device, tap on Add Card and follow the prompts to add your credit or debit card information. You can either take a photo of your card or enter the details manually. Your bank will then verify the information to ensure it matches their records. Once verified, your card will be added to Apple Pay and you will see it in the Wallet app. To make Apple Pay show up as a payment option, you need to have at least one card added to the Wallet app. You can add multiple cards, but you need to set one as the default card for transactions. When you are ready to make a payment, double-click the side button on your iPhone to bring up the Wallet app, or tap on the Apple Pay button at checkout. You can also use Apple Pay on other devices, such as your Apple Watch or Mac, by signing in with the same Apple ID and adding your card information. Best practices for using Apple Pay include keeping your device and card information up to date, and being mindful of your surroundings when making payments. By following these steps and tips, you can easily make Apple Pay show up on your device and start using it for secure and convenient transactions.